40-gallon natural gas power vent. It's leaking. I don't know where. They shut it off yesterday. It looks like it. Sim cutter sucks. One, the rigid one, but they're hard to find. Gotta get one online or something. What? It's literally the first strip leg. That's crazy. What is that all about? No wonder why they had no hot water. We'll keep going, and guess I'll bleed some more gas out at the end. That might have been there forever, because I don't see how there could be water in there. Unless they left it open from construction, but how would they have hot water ever? Maybe they didn't. Nobody cared. Oh. Alright, first we'll get this thing to stop dripping. Put the water heater in place and not have to worry about it. Alright, we get going here. We got system 1738. Alright, shorten that up a little bit. I might come right out of this actually. I got this Street 45. Alright. Make sure that's sitting in there good. Taco 3/4 union strut mix valve. Get this pre-soldered up. And I have the one with the gauge. It's a lot easier. You don't have to run up and down the stairs, you know, when you're setting the temperature, but then you have one. So they got two bathrooms down here. Gotta have the sinks at 120. So might go down lower so you don't have to get on a ladder. Get some 1/2 inch. Bring the 1/2 inch further down. Cut it close. That's it. That's all I got left for L. Alright, we got all that pressed together. There's the vacuum breaker on. We'll fill it up and then we'll do the gas. I'm gonna do something down the street while it's heating up, and then I'll come back and set the temp. Give it an hour and a half or so to get up to about 130, and then we'll knock the sinks down to 120. Alright, we'll get the gas on. Let's see. Clean that up. There you go for whoever wants it. Alright, we got an error right off the rip. 1, 2, 3. TCO pressure switch failed open. Just in case the people get confused. The people touching this shit that shouldn't be touching it. That's what that's for. Alright, there we have it.